Lot number 417 is a 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. This one has the 5.9 liter V8 gas engine with 176,000 original miles. The engine sounds good. The battery was dead. I connected my jump box to it, started right up. No starting fluid necessary. All I did was connect the jump box and it started right up. The engine sounds good. It's been running for about 45 minutes. It has not overheated. It idles smooth. It revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages, but the AC blows warm. AC compressor does not engage. Now listen to the engine. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. Revs up real nice. All the gauges appear to be working. The airbag light is on. 176,384 miles. Now I'll give you a walk around, show you what I see here. The body is straight. The paint is rough. It's peeling, it's faded. It shows surface rust. But the actual body is straight. Tires look good. It's got all matching steel wheels. Tires look good. Headlights are dull. Front bumper looks good. It's got very minor dents. Little plastic trim is coming apart there, but the front bumper looks good. It's got a lot of mold and shows surface rust all around. Both doors open and close as they should. The cab itself is not bad. This is a 1999. Now, it's got a reading utility bed with an auto crane. The working conditions of the auto crane are unknown. The bed has a dent right here on the passenger side, and it tore through the metal. All the cabinet doors open and close as they should. Cabinet doors look all right. This one has a little thing down there on the hinge. All the doors open and close. The cabinets are solid. So it'd still be a good work truck. Plenty of storage. And this may just be dead weight on there. Shows a lot of rust. And it's missing the control. The working conditions are unknown. The bed floor appears to be solid, but I did notice some rust holes where it meets the wall up here. And you can see here how it's kind of banged out of place. It does have some rust right there. Rear bumper's dented. It's got a nice aluminum ladder rack. The driver's side of the cargo bed or the utility bed has minor dents and scratches. It's got paint peeling all around, and it shows some surface rust. Cabinets look good. All right, let me show you the interior. The interior looks rough. It's got a drilled out hole here on the side of the body. And that was an old security system that the school board used to use. All right, door panels are faded. Passenger seat looks good. The center console armrest still looks good. It's got some paint stains, but it's not torn. Headliner's torn and hanging. The dashboard is badly cracked. So is the plastic bezel that goes around everything here. It's badly cracked. The cover underneath the steering wheel it's there, but it's broken. Rubber mat on the floor still looks good. Driver's seat is badly torn. Show you the passenger side. Over here, we're missing the glove box. It may be buried under all this garbage down here, but it's probably broken. All the hinges look solid. The door jambs don't appear to have any major rust. There you have it. 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. Engine sounds good. I drove it in the parking lot. It drives fine. It's lot number 417. Good luck.